Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today it's another Instagram collab. This one's for unicorns, ponies are magical. Happy birthday polished pony over on Instagram. This here collab was hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Kristen Johnson 563. Let's hop in. I've started off with Nailtique's Formula 2 as my base coat. And this is Sally Hansen Insta Dry. And it's Flashy Fuchsia. You guys know I'm a sucker for these colors right here. Oh, goodness. Now, these Sally Hansen Insta Dries are some of my favorite polishes. They don't get enough love here on my channel because I own so much polish. But this is a gorgeous polish, and it's got a really great formula. I'm going to cap my fridge here real quick. Love the brush on this, too. Get Woody out here. Hi, Woody. How ya doing? You gotta help clean up my little mess. And I am going to go in with the second coat, although I really believe I could have got away with one. Really good pigmented polish here. But, you know, we want to go all out for the birthday girl. And here we go. We're going to top it with some of the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Actually, I didn't use that. I used the Moonshine Mayonnaise Let's Go Top Coat. I can tell by the brush. Goofy girl. Oh, that's right, because I wore this for a day before I did the decorating. There we go. Get it right, girl. Here's a swatch photo of Flashy Fuchsia on its own. I'll be using this Beauty Big Bang plate. I call it the unicorn plate. And another Beauty Big Bang XL 082. It's got this, like, scene on it, so I'm going to do that. Got a couple of Conad stampers and Braves Diva on the black and Shutout. And we're just going to hop right on into this. This image right here is going to be my accent nail, and I am going to do some advanced stamping with it. It says, I'm a unicorn. Got a little unicorn in the middle. How cute. So I'm going to go in with my dotting tool and some of that Braves Diva white, which is Shutout. And I'm just going to fill in the body of the unicorn. I didn't want to go too all crazy on it. I just wanted, you know, just wanted to make it show up a little better that it was a unicorn. Considering that was the theme. So I'm going to flip my dotting tool over to the little bitty end to do this ear. Because I didn't want to get all out of the lines real bad with it. Flip it over and see, looking pretty good. And now on this like scene image, I'm gonna pull different pieces of it and run it across my nails. First I gotta get some of this excess off of the stamper because I don't want that part of my manicure. And I'm gonna do some double stamping today. I'm gonna do it in white, and then I'll go back over the same images with black. Clean that off again. But I'm going to do all the white ones first. It just made sense to do it that way. And I do pretty good on this one, except for my ring fingernail. I didn't line up the image very well, but, you know, such is a Manny. Sometimes they just get away from you. And this one got away from me with that one fingernail, but I wasn't going to redo it. Not that much of a perfectionist. Oh, we gotta get some more off there. I'm losing it. So here we go. But this one kind of had like the fairies in it, so I felt like I was doing unicorns and fairies. And to me, that's all magical. So I hit all the spots on it. On the theme. There we go. We got the whites down. Excuse me. And now we're going to go back in and double stamp over with the black. And I just think when you do it like this, when you layer them, they just seem to pop really well, especially if you can line them up good. This one got lined up quite well. I was pretty happy with it. And so does this one right here. Some excess off. I like it though. And I always get excited when I get to do a collab with other people. I will try to remember to leave links for people for Instagram down below. or the names, their names, so that you can go check out the other participants. I don't know if y'all heard Cotton yawning in the background. He's quite bored. This is the one I totally mess up on. But it's alright. It'll be okay. And then down to the last little pinky-nail. Get that excess off of there. And then line this one up. I did good on that one. See, I just messed up one nail, so I consider that success. I am going to go in with a piece of tape and get the excess off of my skin. There we go. Come on, get off of there. Ugh. One little stubborn piece there. There we go. I'm going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I don't want any of that smudging or smearing before I do my top coat, my final one. I am going to use the Get a Grip from Vibrant Vinyls to apply my advanced stamped decal here. Didn't want to run any chances of it not sticking. So there we go. Brush over it. And I don't let it dry for very long. I just kind of on my nail and then apply it. I'm going to use that smudge-free top coat over the top of this one also. And once that's totally dry, I'm going to go in with Moonshine Minis Let's Go Top Coat and seal this one in and finish it off. So there you have it. Capping my fridge, of course, as usual. And I do believe I'm going to get Woody, but yep, Woody's back out to help again. And here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.